Hello everybody and welcome to Korea Overlander, all of you Korea Overlanders. It's so good to have you back again. My name is Ben and welcome back to the channel. If you have not been here before, hit the bell for weekly videos coming your way for the Korea Overland experience. So, have you ever wondered, and I'm sure you have you ever wondered how you might be able to have a little bit of that, that feeling of a campfire without necessarily, having to build something yourself, but just something that kind of is contained and small and nice and neat and pretty? Well, I have got a really interesting little product here that I want to pass on to you. I picked this up just a few hours ago, came back and wanted to get this video kind of getting it ready and everything like that. So I'm super stoked to show you about it. Stick around because campfire, we might have just found your solution. All right, welcome back, everybody. So, this little camping fire, this little camp stove, it comes. I've already taken it out of the box, but here it is. This is it. Weighs probably about maybe 4 kilos or so. If I'm wrong, I'll put a little blurb up there telling you how much this weighs. But one of the reasons why these are particularly good, not just if you happen to live in a place like we do, where we actually have a house and we've got a little area outside where we can actually have a fire, but something like this might be really interesting if you are going wild camping. Now, why might this be a particularly good thing to check out? First of all, you're not going to leave scarring marks on the ground. That's one thing. So a scarring mark is where you build a fire and you've got that burnt, the burnt ground, or clearly there's been a fire left there. So this is one reason for that. The other reason for this is if in a situation where maybe the weather is a little bit dry, this sort of thing is actually most likely going to keep the flames from spreading around. So, it might be something worthwhile to check out. This particular piece of hardware was 60,000 won. I picked this up at Guerrilla Camping here in Daegu. I will leave a link to the website down below. I know there are several guerrilla camping establishments around Korea, mostly up in the Seoul area. So check those out if you are around. What I'm going to do is by the magic of YouTube, I am going to set this up. And once it is all set up, then I'll be able to run down actually how this all functions and how easy or difficult it is to put together. All right, so here we go. Well, good morning, everyone. It's about about 8:30 in the morning on Sunday. Got my coffee here and some nice cool fresh morning. I wanted to go in and actually talk to you a little bit about this system. I did not fire the system last night. I was just exhausted and felt like I couldn't give it my 100%. So I wanted to wait on that first burn. I will throw something in the channel at a future point, maybe a little quick short video about that. But I wanted to talk about one thing or two things that I really liked about this system. First of all, the whole system stands about this tall. You might not be able to see this. Probably about 40 centimeters tall, which is not bad. Putting it together, easy peasy, takes about 15-20 seconds. It's no problem, and it comes essentially in 4 pieces. But what I like about this system is that it allows you to have a small campfire, right, where you can build something small. Just, you know, if you're just out car camping, let's say, and you just want to have a small contained fire, nothing too big, this is really good for that. But the other thing is, it does allow you to put a pot or a pan on top if it's got these teeth here, and it also has this little area where you can keep feeding your fire, so that you don't have to take the pan off, put the stuff in, and put it back on. So that makes it really, really easy, very handy, lightweight. For car camping, I think this is a great little idea. I've got it set up on my balcony here. I've got some bricks that I've placed it on just to remove the heat from the brick the stone that we have on the balcony, just to keep that separated. But I am super excited to actually fire this up. So I am going to be leaving a link down below in the description for this product. I'll put the actual company website on here. You can check it out. I paid 58,000 won for this, so about $50. And I think it is a very, very good purchase. Also, I've got some boxes of wood here. If you're looking for just a box of wood to take you with camping, if you're going to an area where it's not wild camping, you know, anywhere between 6,000 to 9,000 won will get you a 10 kilo box of wood. And in my experience, 10 kilos lasts a good long time. So check that out. I do hope this video finds you well. And it's a chilly morning, but I'm so glad I was able to do this. All right. I hope you're very, very well, and have a great weekend. All right. Take care, my Korea Overlanders. Peace.